In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a form to a fillable PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever had a form that people couldn't type into, this walkthrough will show you how to turn it into a professional, fillable document that's easy to complete and share. Start by opening your file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. It's important to use Acrobat Pro because Adobe Reader can't edit PDFs or build form fields. You can drag your PDF into Acrobat or go to File and open it from there. Once the file is open, head to the Tools tab at the top and choose Prepare Form. This is the workspace designed specifically for creating and editing form fields. When Prepare Form opens, you can either select your existing PDF or choose to scan a paper document. After you pick your file, Acrobat will automatically analyze the page and place fields wherever it detects lines, boxes, or labels. Give it a moment to finish, then review what it found. Auto Detect is a great head start, but it's still a good idea to double-check that fields are in the right spots and labeled correctly. Now, refine your form. Use the toolbar across the top to add what you need, like text fields for names and addresses, checkboxes for yes or no choices, or radio buttons when the user should pick only one option. Click any field to move or resize it so everything aligns neatly. Then look to the right-hand pane for the field's properties. Here you can rename the field, mark it as required, set formats for dates or numbers, and add helpful tooltips. Clear names and tooltips make the form easier to understand and help when exporting responses later. If you notice a typo or need to tweak content in the original document, click the Edit option in the toolbar. That switches you into editing text and images on the page, so you can correct labels or adjust instructions before returning to the form fields. Keep edits focused on what's necessary to support the form. When you're happy with the layout and behavior, save your fillable PDF. Using Save As is a smart move, so you preserve the original file and create a clean, fillable version. To quickly test it, exit Prepare Form and try typing into the fields. If you want to collect responses from others, choose Distribute. Acrobat can help you send the form and gather replies automatically, making it easy to track who has responded and compile the data. That's it. With these steps, you've turned a static document into a polished, fillable PDF ready to share.